Yeah.
Welcome to the Vue series of the Com Code Central. Today we're going to go through how to create a Vue app and then how to run the Vue app on a local development server. Do not forget to like and subscribe. First step of creating a Vue app is to create a folder. I will name the folder project website, but you can simply name it whatever you want. The editor I will be using for this course is VS Code, and that is also what I recommend you to use. The next step is simply to drag and drop the folder onto the VS Code, which will open the folder for us in the code editor. Now, after this is done, I want to open the terminal, and there's actually a cool trick for doing that. You can simply press Ctrl J and the terminal will automatically open. Let's get to creating the Vue app. Before we're able to create a Vue app, we need to install the Vue CLI. We can do this in the terminal by typing npm install -g Vue CLI, which will be shown here. What this will do is to install the Vue CLI globally in the application so that it is accessible from all the terminals. Now that we've installed the Vue CLI, we can go ahead and create the Vue app by simply typing Vue create front end. The front end part of this code is basically the name of the Vue app. You can name it whatever you want. After this step, it will ask us a few option questions, which Vue we want to choose, and also if we want to use NPM or Yarn. I choose Vue 3 and NPM. Yarn will also be fine. Just choose whatever you are comfortable with. Now that we have created the Vue app, we can go ahead and run it. To do that, first we need to go to the front root directory and then write npm run serve. This will start a local development server where the Vue app we created will be hosted. We can open the links provided, has the port number 8081. We click on that and we come to the page. You can see the page here. This is the page for the Vue app. We can also edit the content of the Vue application by going to the source and then clicking on app.vue. Here, I will remove the template and then add a new link to the channel instead of the previous tag. But if you look closely, then you realize that we actually got an error. This is because we need to change two things before we are able to edit the page. I will talk about this in the next video and will show you how to fix them.